Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In this one we will learn how the horizontal lookup or HLOOKUP function works in Excel. The lookup function helps us to find the content of specific cells with reference to a lookup value from a large dataset. Let us jump into a quick example and see how it works. In this example we have a dataset which has a list of countries in 3 columns, and we need to find the content of a specific cell with reference to a lookup value that we have specified in the table down below. The lookup value will start matching the header name of the columns in the table. In the first column, the header doesn't match with our lookup value, so it will move on to the next column and match the header. Since in the second column the header value matches with our lookup text, it will now search for the content of the third row in the same column. In this way, we can get the content of a specific cell in a large dataset using a reference lookup value using the lookup function. Now, let us quickly jump into a real life example and see how the function actually works. In this example, we have a dataset that contains the weekly employee roster of a company, and it holds the data of 1 year within it. The rows determine the month and the column determine the number or the week of that particular month. For each and every week of a month, a specific employee has been assigned in the roster. In this example, we will use the HLOOKUP function to find the name of the employee who was appointed on the third week of the month of May. Let us start by typing the name of the function first. The first parameter it needs is the lookup value that it is going to search in the dataset. The process of using the HLOOKUP function is just same as the VLOOKUP function that we have used in the last video. If you haven't watched it, please feel free to go back to the channel and watch the VLOOKUP function. I have added the link of that video in the description, or you can find it in the I button at the top right corner of this video. In this example, the lookup value that we are going to check is third week. So we are going to write it within double quotes as it is a text, followed by the table array that we are going to check the lookup value in. In this example, the table array would be from A2 to E14, as the table of data that we are going to check is in this range. The next parameter that the function needs is a row index number. In this example, we are going to check the name of the employee for the month of May, so the index number would be at the 6th row of the dataset. Since we are looking for exact matches, we will check the false option over here, and this concludes our formula. It is a good practice to lock the range of the table array to avoid any kind of duplication in the table range, or in case of dragging down the formula. Once we are done with writing the function, we can click enter and see that the name of the employee exactly matches the name of the employee that we are looking in the table. In this way, we can use the HLOOKUP function or horizontal lookup function to find the content of specific cells with the help of a lookup value. Hope this video helped you in understanding how to use HLOOKUP function. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.